Welcome to Memangkoksi channel of Garo Hills, that is in India, the most mountainous region of northeastern part of India. If you want to explore the most indigenous tribe of India, you can come to this place, and it is a place very amazing. It is a place of the cloud and rain. Now the sky is a bit cloudy, and we are expecting rain in a bit moment, maybe after an hour or two, or maybe half an hour. At the same time, now we are going to one village called Jetra. That is the most remotest place of this Chokpot area, the South Garo village of Meghalaya. It is very amazing place, and that was a place of the hideout of the undergrounds in the past earlier. But now, by the grace of God and with the understanding of the people, now they have come overground, and it is a place you will find the wild animals, especially elephants, tigers, and if you want to see the deers, you can come and visit this place. And it is near to our Nokrek National Park, the adjoining of Durama Hills. That is also our national park. It is a very beautiful place, and vehicle can come, and it is not very far from the town of Tura. At the same time, there are resort houses and resort places that you can. Actually, in the central mainland, especially in the town areas, people are scared of this COVID-19. But the people of these regions are very happy. They are not in danger of this COVID-19, because the people are very much self-sufficient here. They get natural food, and especially those vegetables are very nutritious over here. And people don't need to plant vegetables here, and it grows in the jungle, especially very greenery vegetables we get here. At the same time, we also get some fish, and especially the wild animals are plenty here. At night, people used to chase away the wild elephants, tigers, and deers come to these villages. But people are so good, they chase them away. At the same time, people are very much self-sufficient over here. They don't need to depend on the places of like other towns of area. People are enjoying here, and they are not at all scared of this COVID-19. So this is a very it is a 17 kilometers from the main town, Chokpot it's called. So people over here, they are not scared of COVID-19, because outsiders are not allowed to come here, and they are thoroughly checked here. And down there you can see the stream over there, and it's very fresh and natural water, and children are taking bath here. And this water is very good for drinking. We don't need to purify it. We don't need to filter it. You can have a glance of this river. This is a river flowing down the mountain, and the children are enjoying. They are swimming over there, and this is a very beautiful river. Water is very fresh. You can even drink it, and you can even take bath. The stones are very beautiful, and this water is coming from the Durama Hills, the national park of our India. You can have a visit. You can come here and see the wonderful place of our Garo lands. Garo land is called, Garos are the indigenous people of this area. We have already reached to the spot village called Jetra, the last village. And up there you'll find the mountain just touching the clouds. That is a Durama. fish, very good fish, some prawns, some small fish. Just now they have caught a fish. They just went down to the stream and they got a fresh fish. Now they will fry it and they will have a delicious meals tonight. So the name of the river is called Rongma Kakija, which we have seen in the Durama. People have killed one chicken, so this is the chicken curry, traditional way of preparation. So we will do it now, and there we have got the Indian dal curry. And let me see this cover. So it is a rice. This now. So once we finish our meals, so we will go back to our room. So this is chicken curry. This is authentic chicken, very yummy and very nice to eat. So people are so good. They welcome us warmly and they provided us this chicken, so we will be enjoying. After having exploring the places in Jatra, now we are way back home to Chokpot. So it is around 70 kilometers, as I have mentioned earlier. It is very nice place, very amazing. Now it is very foggy, the sky is very cloudy. Simply you will enjoy the weather here. And we are feeling a bit chill now, feeling cold like. It's very beautiful place, isn't it? Simply you will enjoy it by seeing this beauty.